Need to fix the NetBIOS Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the professional restoration of this core file. For professional-grade NetBIOS library maintenance, follow the diagnostic link in the description. This is the NetBIOS library, the NetBIOS API library, a legacy unmanaged module managing NetBIOS over TCP/IP NetBT communication. It facilitates the orchestration of legacy network name resolution manifests for backward-compatible data links. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. If NetBIOS Library DLL is missing, it indicates a problem with your Windows system image. I suggest running sfc/scan now from an administrator command prompt to perform a surgical repair of your core operating system files. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including NetBIOS library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it, or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. Protect your workstation by avoiding the temptation of quick manual fixes for NetBIOS Library DLL, as most free repositories prioritize ad revenue over file safety, often leading to the installation of obsolete or harmful software. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. To ensure your system configuration matches its capabilities, the repair resource below provides informational guidance on NetBIOS library. I'm Sophie Chen. If this guide resolved the DLL error preventing NetBIOS library from launching, please subscribe for more verified engineering fixes.